In today's video, I'll show you how to use QR codes with Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to make booking faster for clients and connect your offline or online promotions directly to your booking page, QR codes are a simple and powerful solution. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open your Client Scheduling page section from the menu. This is where your main booking link is located. Now copy your booking URL. This is the link you will convert into a QR code. Next, open any QR code generator tool online. Paste your Acuity booking link into the generator and create a QR code instantly. Download the QR code image once it's generated. Now you can use this QR code anywhere you want. For example, you can add it to business cards, flyers, posters, shop counters, social media posts, or even email signatures. When a client scans the QR code using their phone, they will be taken directly to your Acuity Scheduling page where they can book an appointment immediately. If you want to track performance, you can also use a shortened or trackable link before generating the QR code to see how many people are scanning and booking. Before finishing, test the QR code using your phone to make sure it opens your booking page correctly. You can also create multiple QR codes for different services if you want to track bookings separately. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used QR codes with Acuity Scheduling to make your booking process faster and more accessible. And that's how you use QR codes with Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.